Have you ever wondered how a simple flicker of light can transform a space, transcending mere functionality to become a work of art? Today, we're embarking on a mesmerizing journey, a visual exploration that will unveil the enchanting world of Rattan Lamps. So buckle up, because we're about to dive into a world where craftsmanship meets creativity. Picture this, a room bathed in a warm, ambient glow, shadows dancing playfully across the walls, creating an atmosphere that captivates the soul. But what if I told you this magic isn't just about light, but the masterpiece that delivers it? Welcome to the realm of Rattan Lamps, where illumination becomes an art form. Now let's take a step back in time. Imagine a small workshop where skilled artisans meticulously shape and mold raw materials into timeless pieces. Each lamp tells a story, a narrative woven through the hands of these craftsmen. It's not just about creating light, it's about crafting an experience. As we journey through the showroom, we're met with an array of designs, from the classic to the avant-garde, each lamp a testament to Rattan's commitment to innovation and style. It's like walking through a gallery where light is the medium and Rattan lamps are the masterpieces. But of course, the true measure of any art is the impact it has on those who experience it. And Rattan lamps have left an indelible mark on the lives of many. From cozy homes to bustling offices, these lamps have become more than just sources of light. They're conversation starters, mood setters, and cherished pieces of art. So, as we draw the curtains on our visual journey through Rattan Lamps, we're left with a profound appreciation for the artistry that illuminates our lives. With that said, thanks for joining us on this captivating exploration. May your spaces be filled with the magic of Rattan's craftsmanship, and until next time, keep shining bright.